Welcome to Da Nang. Let's have a little walk here on the side of the tourist area. Tourist area is over there, but we're gonna actually go a little bit zigzag around, go to the main street, see what's new. We're starting with one of my favorite banh mi stores, pork belly banh mi, beautiful. It's right here on the left side. Ong Fudat, filmed many times. Nice guy. A lot of people go there now. I think they're still delivering a lot of pork belly all over the city as well. Not only the banh mi here. There's also a coconut place here. We're actually gonna walk this little side street. It's very hot, guys. Woo, woo, woo. This is how they deliver it on Fudat. This is the little side street here, and we're gonna actually walk towards the TP bank that previously was a very good option to pull out money without any fees, but now it's only VP Bank at the moment. This is brand new. King Bundao. King Bundao. So they have Borneo and Bunda Mamtom. 45k Bunda Mamtom. I gotta try it out. I think I gotta go back to the roots, eat more Bunda Mamtom. I'm gonna be in Hanoi soon anyway, so it's gonna be very interesting. But look at this coffee shop, Waffle Factory, Craft Cafe. Interesting. I like it. We'll try it out. Interesting. I think it's new. I think it's new, guys. This is also very important to do. Whenever you're here for 1 to 3 months, go and explore little side streets. Sometimes you find gems here. You can also get my Google Maps guide because I put everything important in there. Here, Omo coffee. I still have to try it out. I saw it the last time. This is exactly what I maybe need in my life. You know what? Screw it. I need it. I need to try it. I'm gonna have an espresso. I don't really want an espresso, but I want to have one. All right, guys. It was good. It was good. I was able to sip it in one sip, so maybe it was a little bit too cold. Because it should be a little bit hotter, but it's good. It's still, the taste was good. Danali. What is Danali? That's a brand new spot here. Well, what I wanted to say before I saw that place, if you don't want to go around and check out everything yourself, you can also get my Google Maps guide, and then you have everything inside your Google Maps. You can just save it. There's also more information. All the important links I also have on use, and you can get it probably in the link in the description or in the first pinned comment. There we have KFC. Oh, today I will actually try out something new. I will try out the pho burger for the German channel, vlog channel. The pho burger. That's gonna be good. I will try it out. I don't know how it is gonna be. I tried out the banh mi chicken sandwich in KFC. So I'm not a big fan of big fast food chains, especially when you're here. I think a good banh mi will always beat every single burger in these cities. Like, if I think about it, okay, the banh mi, if you have a very nice banh mi, it maybe costs you $2. I'm not talking about the very the cheaper ones, like the a little bit nicer ones, nice ambient. You sit down, it's $2 around that. It's the same for a burger. So a burger in those big chains in Vietnam are also very affordable. It's also $2 a burger here. It's not like in the West. But the banh mi, the good one, is always better than a burger, in my opinion. And it is actually the same fast delivery. And even though I have tried a lot of different dishes in Vietnam, all around Vietnam, and I have many favorite dishes, the two things I always look out the most for is banh cuon, the rice rolls, the Vietnamese rice rolls, and the banh mi. This was the thing what I had the first thing when I came back. Banh cuon, it's a cool bike, and of course banh mi. The banh mi place is here to the right. A very popular food street. Whew. You better stay in the shade, guys. Stay shady. Oh, look at this. Pork belly. Pork belly! You know what's also interesting when I see Adidas here? Adidas is not cheaper in Vietnam than it is in Germany. Even though it is produced here, majority, or in the neighboring countries. I think a lot of signs I see from Adidas things, I see Cambodia, China, Vietnam, sometimes Malaysia. But that's like the most what I see on Adidas tags. It's still not cheaper here. If it's original or if it's in an official store. So I think if you go to Germany, try to shop a lot of Adidas. Especially at the outlet stores, it's crazy. A helmet store here, and yeah, you can also get for your children helmets. That's very important as well, even though I don't think those stylish looking ones are that effective, to be honest, but I don't know. Like those slim ones, I'm not sure if they are really helping you not getting a head trauma if you fall on the back of the head. I think if I would drive, I would have a proper helmet.
Sammy walks.
Yeah, yes.
Oh, happy to see you.
Hi.
Hi, nice.
How are you?
Happy.
Have a good day. Sammy walks. And now he's also in the video. How beautiful is that? You know what's also interesting? A lot of people only see this channel, not my other one. Because I'm posting here every day. This is FPT here. FPT is also the place where I always buy my electronics. They should sponsor me though. But yeah, I like it. It's always real stuff. Oh god, oh my god. Okay, it's green. Gotta be careful here. Check this out. This is a very dangerous intersection, I would say. It's like it's almost like a half pipe in there. If you drive here, be careful. Don't drive fast. Don't do some weird movements. Oh, it's green again. Oh god. You see this guy? Everyone is like bouncing. Well, it's not every place. It's like some of them. It's like bouncy. If that makes sense. I hope you see what I mean. It's always shaking. Oh wow, what is that? Belgio. I think it's gonna be a beer place. Over here, wow. Okay, I think that's a very good thing for the neighborhood. It's gonna be a bar here, a Belgio bar. Cool. I just want to see more here, more places. There's a new coffee shop. I hope it's going to be good. I want to really, it's my neighborhood now, so I really want to have some different types of coffee shops to choose. Jeremy is good, to be honest. And it's also one of the cheapest espressos in town here. I would say 30K for hot espresso. It looks good. Very stylish inside already. Wow, cool. This is gonna be, if this huge construction mess is done, it's gonna be nice. I'm very, very sure about that. It's gonna be very nice neighborhood. Jeremy's over there very good for American desserts, and House of Luck. House of Luck. Oh man. But it still needs to be finished here. It's a mess. It's still a mess. I think when I come back next year, I think it's going to be better. Hopefully this will be rented out with businesses. Hopefully motorbikes will have a nice lane here. The only reason there are no motorbikes here is because no one is in there at the moment. There's some apartments. Someone is renting it out or buying it and then doing apartments out of it. It's also interesting. Bricks around, mud, dust, sand, dirt for the building here. It's for rent, I guess. Yeah. I think when this whole neighborhood is done, it's gonna be good. Because it looks nice. They're taking care of this street here. This is also a super important street because the majority of people coming to Da Nang, I mean at least 50% I would say. There are two ways. You go through the Dragon Bridge or to this bridge. But the majority, and me always, I arrive with the Grab or taxi here. So this is a very important street for tourism actually, because the first impression, you cannot have a first impression. It has to look nice, guys. It's very important. This is the first few steps, few miles towards the beach, to the hotels for tourism. Very important. Those towers look nice at night. Whew. It's hot, guys. As you can hear here, oh look at this fitness lounge. Interesting. So they're building a new gym here. Fitness lounge. Damn it. Lots of construction going on over there too. Interesting. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free. Subscriptions and liken das Video. To like the video is free, guys. Go one up and like the video. And check out this video here. See you in the next walk.